Imagine you could leap through time at will, go back to the past to change history, or shoot into the future to see what happens. The concept of time travel has long fascinated people, appearing in much science fiction and even being considered by physicists. Yet behind its allure, time travel brings a set of logical puzzles called time paradoxes. These paradoxes are like intricate knots in the thread of cause and effect. Unless untied, they appear contradictory or even impossible. In this narrative monologue, we'll dive deeply into the various kinds of time travel paradoxes. With a conversational style that remains scientifically and philosophically accurate, we'll trace famous paradoxes such as the grandfather paradox, the bootstrap paradox, the predestination paradox, as well as the ideas of causal loops and the Novikov self-consistency principle. Not only that, we'll also explore proposed solutions from dual timelines and parallel universes in science fiction to viewpoints from quantum physics and philosophy about time and causality. Get ready for a long journey through these astonishing ideas. Let's begin by understanding why time travel challenges the causal laws we take for granted in everyday life. From childhood, we learn that every effect has a cause, and that causes always come before effects. This is the principle of causality, the foundation of our universe's logic. The example is simple. If you strike a match, the cause, only then does the flame ignite, the effect. The flame can't ignite before the match is struck. We never see effects preceding their causes in daily life. For us, time flows forward, from the past to the present to the future, carrying an apparently linear, orderly sequence of events. But what if this flow could be skipped across or reversed? Traveling to the past would mean the effect of an action, for example, a change in the past, could be felt before the original cause occurred. That's like seeing a flame before striking a match, something that violates common sense. This is why the idea of time travel is so prone to slamming into the walls of logic and creating paradoxes. A time paradox arises when the chain of cause and effect gets scrambled. An effect can influence its own cause, or a sequence of events closes into